Faroese football history begins in 1892 when Paul Efferso was drawn to Denmark's sports culture, especially cricket and football. Later that year, he and several friends founded the first football association in Tvøroyri. In 1938, the club recruited the Faroes' first professional football coach from Denmark and dominated the years 1939 to 1945. Locally known as TB, the club has been the national champion several times, also fielding an exceptional team during the 1970s. The field located at Tvøroyri has been the site of some of the famous competitions in Faroese football history. With it no longer suitable for competition play, TB is now playing on their new home field in Tvøroyri. Andre Dalfoss is the current head of TB, which is well supported by local businesses, especially Mortensen and Thomsen. 120 years of competition and fun. Tvøroyri Football Club, where the action happens.